Hello DIYers! Thank you for watching my channel. In this video, I am going to show you 5 kitchen items that my child loves to play with and hopefully your child would love too. This activity does not need you to create a toy nor spend money to buy tools for crafting since the items can often be found in your kitchen, which means time and money savings for us mummies or daddies. What we need are items readily available in the house, so head to your kitchen after watching this video and find these items: aluminum foil, parchment paper, bottle brush, sponge, and a silicone garlic tuber, which is also called a garlic peeler roller. My baby is very tactile and loves to touch, feel, pick up, and explore different objects. She loves to bang and shake them. Sometimes she'll shriek in delight if she finds the object very fascinating. Once you have gathered all the items, you can give them to your baby one at a time and observe how your baby responds to it. The reason I introduce one at a time instead of all at once is that I don't want to overwhelm my baby with too many stimuli at the same time, and I also wanted to observe her reaction to each of them individually. Now let's take a look at my baby playing with them. First up is the garlic roller. My baby likes the garlic roller since it is made of silicone and feels rubbery. It is very light and easy to squeeze. She likes to drop it on the floor and pass it from one hand to the other. I think she likes this because the silicone texture is somewhat new to her, so she is still exploring how to play with the peeler. For the sponge, she likes to hold the soft side facing her and then does this twisting movement as if she is trying to turn it back and forth. I crumble the foil to form a round shape before giving it to her so she can easily hold it with one hand. Interestingly, she kept on banging the foil on the floor and even tried to drag it forward. The next kitchen item is the parchment paper. Similar to the aluminum foil, I also crumbled it to form a round shape. I think she likes the crinkly sound the paper creates and even tried to unfold it and rip it apart. Like the other items, she was also banging it on the floor. The last kitchen item is the bottle brush. She likes to hold it on the silicone handle as if she knew the proper holding technique. When I tried to give it to her head first where the bristles are, she put the brush on the floor, grabbed the handle, and then passed it to her other hand and held the brush by the handle. I don't think she likes how the bristles feel, as she would only lightly touch it and then put the brush down. The last thing I did was let her play with all 5 of them at the same time and see which would catch her interest first or which item she likes more or dislikes. I think her favorite of the 5 kitchen items is the sponge, as she likes to feel the soft side of it. Her second favorite item is the garlic peeler roller. She tends to switch her attention between the two though. Third is the parchment paper because she likes the sound it creates when she bangs it on the floor. Her least favorite item of the 5 is the brush. I'm not sure if it's because it's long or that she thought it was uninteresting since it does not produce any sound, or probably both. That's it for now. Let me know how your baby likes these 5 kitchen items. Which one did they like the most? Which one was their least favorite? What modifications did you do to make this activity more fun for your baby? Please comment below to let me know, as I'd love to hear from you. And let me know what other DIY toys and activities you'd like me to create next time. Be sure to subscribe for more DIY toys and activities to make a happy baby. Happy crafting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!